In this video, we will show you why stir-frying our Chinese beef noodle without cornstarch is better.
This is the best.
We will also show you how to cook Chinese beef noodle without cornstarch. This is what can happen if you choose a recipe that do not give the accurate quantity of corn flour. Your noodles will have this unsightly appearance of starchy gelatin lumping together. Even adding water to dissolve this lumpy mistake will not work. The better way is to stir-fry your Chinese beef noodle without corn flour instead.
Yes, that's the way.
We start by preparing the sauce. A perfect balance of sweet, sour, and salty that makes our beef fried noodle the best ever. Our homemade sauce is a combination of light and dark soya sauce, oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, sugar, sesame oil, vinegar, and pepper. We also prepare 100 ml of water mixed with chicken stock granule. You cannot substitute oyster sauce with fish sauce.
No.
If you want an authentic Chinese style chow mein. You can omit oyster sauce, but we do not recommend replacing it with fish sauce. Now it's time to prepare the main ingredient: shallots and garlic, mustard green or some other green vegetable of your choice, carrot, cabbage, chili. Slice your beef tenderloin. Heat a large wok or pan. Add a bit of oil to the pan. Fry your garlic and your onions. Then add your beef until it turns lovely brown. Remove the beef and set aside. Add your vegetables and saute for a few minutes until the veggies are slightly softened. Add the noodles into the wok and stir it in with the vegetables. Have you ever had a bad experience cooking with cornstarch? Drop us a comment below and share with us your story if you do. Pour the chicken stock, then add in the cooked beef. Next, pour in your oyster sauce mixture right on top. Cook for about 2 minutes, distributing all the saucy goodness around evenly. Cover for 1 minute. By now, you will start to notice the sauce had evaporated. Switch off the flame before it gets too dry. It should be a little saucy without being too wet. Scoop up your noodle and serve hot. Look at how smooth the sauce is on our beef fried noodles.
Not sticky at all.
If you like this video,
Thumbs up. Put a big thumbs up.
and watch our other noodle videos for inspiration.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.